Welcome parents to the Grade 8 Visual Arts Back to School Night presentation. The class could be taught by Ms. Harrell, Mr. Treble, or Ms. Russo-Scher. We're all part of the Upper School Visual Arts Department. And here's a quick look at our classroom spaces. We have 3 designated art studios in the upper school, and they all are equipped with similar facilities. Grade 8 art is a semester-long course that meets 4 times during our 8-day cycle rotation. Additional resources and information regarding your child's course can be found on our Canvas pages and links to resources on those pages. We will provide the art supplies for all of our projects, but the students need to make sure they bring their sketchbook and their laptop. Throughout the semester, the students will recognize the individual uniqueness of their point of view and to expand their understanding to allow for additional points of view. They will plan artworks in advance and remain accountable for their artwork throughout. We will also have informed conversations about art history and the culture surrounding the art making. We'll start off the semester learning about our individual perspective, how we see the world, and how that influences our interpretation of a drawing. We'll be applying the system of linear perspective, 1-point perspective to start off with, and then 2-point perspective. We'll then challenge the students to a sculpture, a 3-dimensional project where they will learn subtractive sculpture skills to be able to look at an object from all sides and realize it in 3 dimensions. Our classes include introductions and demonstrations with lots of examples, and the students will have time to work on their individual studio pieces with feedback in the classroom from the teachers. This graphic can help you understand the symbols and numbers that we use for our formative and summative assessments. The course has formative assessments that help us prepare for our larger, more developed artworks. Our summative assessments are our more developed art projects, and they will get the 1 to 7 grades. If you have any questions, please contact your child's individual teacher, and we will be happy to answer any of your questions.